In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the battery on a Garmin phone. Okay, as you can see, there is no notch on the corners where you can push or pull the battery cover off. So all you have to do to remove the cover is just hold this part in place like so and just push down with your fingers the very edge over here past that seam. So hold here and push this down, and there you go. It just clicks off, and then you can just take it off like so, and then you can just remove the battery. The battery here is removable. So there you go. That is how to remove the battery on a Garmin phone. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.